Okay. This is a call to action for my favorite senator, Senator Risa Ontiveros. But before I go on, hindi pala ako nakapagpasalamat kay Kong Ed Salagman, fellow Bicolano. Alam namin ang track record mo dito sa Bicol, so I'm very proud. Divorce is not something I thought I needed, but with the noise that it's bringing on the news right now, mas nabuhay na ako ng loob, mas naging hopeful ako. At gusto ko magpasalamat kay Kong Ed Salagman. Salamat po. So going back to my call to action for Senator Risa Ontiveros, I'd like to ask for your help, Senator. You are my favorite senator. You are the author of Mental Health Law and Expanded Solo Parents Welfare Act. You are a fellow solo parent. You are a fellow mental health advocate. Ikaw po napili ko kasi lahat ng hinhain mong bill ay nagiging batas and you follow through its proper implementation. At ikaw po ang napili ko kasi closely intertwined ang mental health and being a parent and a solo parent. Gusto ko pong bigyang pansin yung isa sa pinakapaborito ko pong section sa Absolute Divorce Bill, yung Section 25, yung magkakaroon ng community-based prenuptial and post-matrimonial programs and activities. Na sana po, noon pa to nagawa, pero nandito na tayo. Ito na yung pagkakataon natin na matama ang mga hindi natin nagawa noon at matama na para sa mga susunod na henerasyon. Ang gusto ko dito sa parteng ito ng section na ito is the national government shall through the DSWD implement community-based prenup, reconciliatory phase or cooling off, counseling, and post-matrimonial programs and activities aimed at strengthening the marital and family life of Filipinos. Dahil nung kami po ay kinasal noong 2005, pre-K na lang po yung inatenan ko and the rest parang I was blindly just following what's being said to me by the adults during that time. So with the passage of Absolute Divorce Bill, nagtitiwala ako na hopefully ma-fully implement ito sa community level at magkaroon ng kalinawan ang mga kabataan bago pa sila magpakasal. Kasi sana through our experiences may kita nyo na nobody plans on getting into an accident pag sumakay po tayo sa kotse, sa motor, sa eroplano, but we still wear helmet. We still wear our seatbelt. So at the same time, sana ganun din po yung divorce, makita nyo po, it's a form of insurance for all of us na sana hopefully hindi po natin gagamitin soon, but in the case na magamit po natin siya, kakailanganin po natin siya in the future, kaya nandyan po siya. So my favorite Senator Risa Ontiveros, hopefully po, kahit alam ko po na pro-divorce ka po, gusto ko po na paigtingin niyo pa po ang inyong boses, lalong-lalo na po na alam ko po mas lalakas pa po ito dahil po nandito po ang Divorce Pilipinas Coalition at napakarami pang solo parents organization na naniniwala na ako po personally, I don't just want to stay married. Hindi ko gustong magstay lang sa isang kasal dahil gusto ko lang magstay dahil lang sa papel at dahil lang kinasal ako sa harap ng Diyos. But I want to stay happily married. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat.
Maraming